Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I don't have an intro, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig from Celie. Okay, I'm going to be trying a new method, so let's see how this goes. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video.
Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can.
What's a squirty?
Send it to an A-Rap, hit 'em with it, hit 'em
or
with
not.
It's a PG Boys promotion.
I done fought the crew. I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause galore, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an A-Rap. Hit 'em with the mat now, that's whole body scalp. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't nap but kangaroos. I can send 'em moves, woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me, woo. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause galore, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. Nah, I got 7 bitches with me capping. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimals, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white Adderalls and I my ceiling. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flights on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught of all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billings. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like linen. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in Linux. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the missions. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who flaws business. I don't know what's going with bro, I think they all spilling. We don't speak about shit on wax, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all kitties. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an A-Rap. Hit 'em with it, hit 'em with it. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an A-Rap. Hit 'em with it, hit 'em with it.
It's a PG Boys promotion.
Ooh, I done fought the crew. Ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause galore, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an A-Rap. Hit 'em with the mat now, that's whole.
Okay, so I don't cut my own wigs because... Can y'all hear me? I don't cut my own wigs because I want it to be perfect and I go OCD and I'm not really good at that yet. So I let my mama cut my wig, okay?
Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the...
Okay. It's my first time recording in the bathroom like this. But yeah, I'm finna flat iron, what is her name? I don't have a name for her yet, y'all. But I'm gonna flat iron her. I may do that off camera because y'all seen flat ironing before. I mean, I look short. Do you remember? But yeah, I'm gonna flat iron her real quick. Let's get the go. Get it packed. You know what I'm Hold up.
Adderalls, I my ceiling. I got lights on, baby. I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch.
Okay, y'all, this is when I realized for the second time, Celie, the second time, that they made the ear tabs too short. So I can't really, I don't know, they just don't fit the size of my head. But I'm going to make it work per usual. And then I'm going to plug, and then we good to go.
Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't control all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billings. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Lennon. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in Linux. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the missions. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who flaws business. I don't know what's going on, bro, I think they all spilling. We don't speak about shit on West, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all kitties. Ooh, ooh, diamond speaker boo. Ooh, ooh, I done fuck the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rich. Cause I'm rich.
DJ Frisco 954. Yo.
I escaped everyone in the list cause I was supposed
It's a
to be.
PG Voice promotion.
I'm not about no cop. I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit 'em with it, hit 'em with it.
It's a PG Voice promotion.
Ooh, ooh, I done fuck the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause galore, bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped everyone on the list, cause I'm supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit 'em with the mat now, that's whole body scalp. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call a troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kangaroos. I can send 'em moves. Woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me who. Ooh, ooh, diamond speaker boo. Ooh, ooh, I done fuck the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch.
I wish that I just cut it first. I try to do something new, but you know, it's all good.
Oh, you shit like Captain. Nah, I got I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimals, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white Adderalls, I my ceiling. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't control all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billings. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Lennon. Ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the missions. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who flaws business. I don't know what's going on, bro, I think they all spilling. We don't speak about shit on West, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all kitties. Ooh, ooh, diamond speaker boo. Ooh, ooh, I done fuck the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from I escaped everyone on the list, cause I was supposed
It's a
to be
PG Voice
I don't
promotion.
care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit 'em with it, hit 'em with it.
It's a PG Voice promotion.
Ooh, ooh, I done fuck the crew. Ooh, ooh, I done did the robbing. I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers. I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at? Tell me where it is. I came from rest, the riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord, little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit him with the mat now, that's whole body scalp. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call her troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kangaroos. I can send them moves, woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me, woo. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord, little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. Nah, I got 7 bitches with me capping. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimals, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white out of raws, I ain't my ceiling.
Drowning in money, when I'm drowning in money, need you to please tell me.
So I'm not finna play.
Got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't control all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billings. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Lennon. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in Linux. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the missions. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who flaws business. I don't know what's going on, bro, I think they all spilling. We don't speak about shit on West, it's all my business. We known to kill the biggest cats of all kitties. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick.
It's a PG Boys promotion.
Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord, little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right, you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit him with the mat now, that's whole body scalp. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call her troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't never kangaroos. I can send them moves, woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me, woo. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had. Cause I'm rich, I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like Captain. Nah. In this bitch, I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimals, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white out of raws, I ain't my ceiling. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon, and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't control all of my bitches. I got layers, I got millions, I got all type of billings. Fuck around and add a pussy nigga out like Lennon. Last nigga tried me, almost got popped in Linux. Ask the cops, ask the detectives, they know all the business. Ask the cops and the detectives, all the jurisdictions. Ask the kids at school who ambition, all the missions. Gave the lawyer close to 2 million, he handled all the killings. I don't know and I don't wanna know who flaws business. I don't know what's going on, bro, I think they all spilling. We don't speak about shit on West.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans.
Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rich, DJ
Frisco 954.
I escaped every one of the list, cause cause I was supposed
It's a
to be
PG Boys
rich. I don't
promotion.
care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit 'em with it, hit 'em with it.
It's a PG Boys promotion.
Ooh, I done fought the crew. Ooh, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord, little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. Put it in a Uber, send it to a shooter. Ask me how they do it, kicking shit right you can. Put it in a cab, send it to an Arab. Hit 'em with the mat now, that's whole body scalp. Cash on delivery, hey, go talk of the century. Oh, no time for gibberish. All the critics hearing this, all the bitches lipstick, and her pussy slippery. I can call her troop, go by the name of Duke. Can't nap but kangaroos. I can send them moves, woo. Niggas stole a chain, but I ain't worried, fool. I'ma keep on spinning till they tell me, who. Ooh, woo, diamonds peekaboo. Ooh, woo, I done fought the crew. Ooh, woo, I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking. Now I'm full rapping. I put on my brothers, I put on my bitch. Had to wear the dress, cause I had a stick. You know where the bag at, tell me where it is. I came from rats to riches on the shit. I can no longer disguise a bitch, cause I'm rich. I got cause good Lord, little bitch, cause I'm rich. I escaped every one of the list, cause I was supposed to be rich. I don't care about no cop, I'm telling you just how it is. I don't gotta throw you shit like capping them. Nah, I got 7 bitches with me capping them. Yeah, R.I.P. Nipsey, I can tell you how to get rich. I can tell you how to die or how to live in this bitch. I can tell you how to talk the most impeccable shit. I can show you how to walk like you got decimals, bitch. Show you how I can get the top from all the top 10 bitches. I got white Adderalls and I have mouse ceiling. I got lights on, baby, I got mouse in this bitch. No flats on, caught you like your mouse in this bitch. Grown tycoon and I took some losses, you bitch. I'm a boss, but I don't like to take a loss in this bitch. Such a player, but I can't get caught all of my bitches. I got layers, I got
Okay, you guys, this is the final product. I like it. Hold on. It's cute. Ew, that lighting is trash. Yeah, my lighting is gonna be trash for a while. Jesus Christ. My face is just like not doing the best because I didn't have any primer. I just did a quick little 1-2-1-2 for this video. And so I could feel cute. But yeah, this is the final product. I'm gonna be taking pictures. The side is really cute to me. But yeah, this is it. I look like Dora. But the bangs came cut just right. I'm gonna pull this because it's getting on my nerves. It came just right. They're not in my eye, but they're close enough to my eye. My mom's here. Isn't this cute? Oh, that's my mom. Hi, Mom. You wanna see my hair? Cause I was gonna do it outside, but I changed my mind. Where is she? Look, Mom. Look. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
I look like Dora. It's too bright. Wanna be my video?
Or we can make a trail and you can go right there, but in the corner.
So scary.
And look, I can do
Okay, it's hot.
a trail.
Come on, pick me up. Alright, y'all. So that's the end of this video. Oh, it's hair in my eye. Yeah, I might end up cutting these anyway. Shh. I might end up like cutting them down just a little bit. But most likely I'm gonna keep this behind my ear. This is what it looks like not behind my ear. I look like Edna. It's hair in my eye. Great. Sorry, y'all. I'm just putting this everywhere. I'm not a good cameraman right now. It doesn't look bad with it like this, but I don't really want it like that right now. And plus it's been behind my ear so long that it's like curving that way and I look like I'm finna steal something. But yeah. face is highly oily. I don't know why.
It's a PG Boys promotion.
Get away from the door.